Next we will go and see how the correlation filter works. For that I'll go back to the code here, and let me just comment this again and this again, and again we will use the same administration client. And I think you must be aware what we are going to do next. Create subscription options, pass the topic name, and then we will just name the subscription as in the correlation subscription, and then we have to pass the rules here. So I'll say new create rules and just give some name, correlation filter. Now this is very important, new correlation rule filter, whatever you want to apply. Now I want to show you one thing here. Let me press F12. So what does the definition says here is, correlation rule filter holds a set of conditions that are matched against one or more of an arriving messages, users and system properties. And it basically says you can apply the correlation filter either on the correlation ID or these conditions, so which are content type, subject, reply to, message IDs, reply to session ID and to. So either use any of these things, and I'll just use in our case the subject here, and I'll say if the subject is for example Khush, apply the correlation filter. And same what we have to do here is we have to create a first customer object to send the message where j is equal to new customer, and in this case I'll say age is equal to 56 and name is equal to Khush, and then we have to create a message, service bus message, and we have to in this case I'll use subject as in if the subject is having Khush. That's it. And once this is done, you need to send the message, sender. Okay, I'll just uncomment this thing, sender dot send message asynchronously message. That's it. Save. And okay, I'll add some application properties here because our message does not have anything. Application properties, I'll just copy these things again, I'll just paste it here, and instead of obj2 I'll go with obj. Okay, and that's it. Let me just run this and see if it works. Execution is completed. Let me go back, and first I'll go and check if subscription is created or not. Cool. And if you see, one message is present over there. And let me go to Service Bus Explorer to see the message. Start. Click on the message properties. If you see, that's the name of the message, subject is Khush, and click on overview, and this is the filter which we have applied, correlation filter, and that is the key and value on which we have applied that. So there are other set of things which I showed you in the code on which we can apply the correlation filter. Cool. So this is how the correlation filter works.